Hello, welcome back to M365 Professional. Today we explore how to apply data validation to cells in Microsoft Excel. Follow me. Apply data validation to restrict the type of data or value that others can enter in a cell, such as business hours. Select the cells you want to limit. Select Data Validation. In the Allow drop-down, select one of the options, such as time. Set the limits, like start and end times. Select Input Message and customize a message users will see when entering data. Select Error Alert to customize the error message and message style. If data is added incorrectly, select OK. Select the cell to see the input message and now enter data. If data is outside the parameters, the error alert will appear. Data validation in Microsoft Excel is a powerful feature that allows users to control the type of data entered into a cell. By applying data validation, users can ensure accuracy, consistency, and reliability in their spreadsheets. This guide will walk you through the process of applying data validation to cells in Excel.